and then GVMC, Commissioner GVMC. So I have at least a fair understanding of many of the departments. It's a real opportunity for me. So I hope that, and also I believe always that I have a sufficient understanding of each department. And most of you, professional under law, just a few officers tappa migitha vallandariki kuda less than a year. Kontamandi aithe months unnai. So it's a good thing, because general ga oka 2 years 3 years అయిపోయేటప్పటికి మాకు అంతా తెలుసులే అని చెప్పేసి కొంచెం రిలాక్స్ మూడ్లో పోవడం అట్లా జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో లక్కీలీ మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ది డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో ఉన్న హెచ్ఓడీస్ అందరూ కూడా లెస్ దాన్ ఇయర్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మీరందరూ కూడా ద గవర్నమెంట్ ప్రయారిటీస్ ఏమున్నాయి, సో టార్గెట్స్ ఏమున్నాయి అనేది, సో ఆల్వేస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ఆన్ యువర్ టేబుల్. The best thing to avoid, stress is always prioritize your, the job and also task. Top 10 items these top 10 items always, whenever I visit your offices, I will make an extensive tour of all the offices and all the entire district. So there is no doubt about it. So I'll stay there, and also I'll stay even if it requires a day or 2 or 3. Never mind. So I'll see that how well each officer is functioning and how he is controlling his subordinates. That is the paramount issue. So you should have at least 10 top 10 items, and those top 10 items on your table. The morning you have to see, and at the evening while you are leaving the office, at least you check up that where you are. Whether at least you've done some progress or not, then if not, then what is that? Why it is not happening? అది మీరు ఎప్పుడు కూడా చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. అండ్ ఐ ఆల్సో గో విత్ దట్. మై జేసీ అండ్ మై డిఆర్ఓ, everybody should be on toes. So if now the government priorities are views, the government is expecting a lot from us. So అది మనం అచీవ్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే కనుక without stress, you should have a plan. If you don't have a planning, then definitely you are subject to stress. Then automatically the efficiency levels will plummet like anything. సో అందుచేత మీరు అందరూ కూడా ప్రయారిటీస్ అనేది పెట్టుకోవాలి. ప్రయారిటీ ప్రకారం మనం వర్క్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతా ఉంటాం. Then I'll always make responsible for the HODs for that particular department. As far as any deviation is concerned, the targets have been given by JC or myself or the DRO. You have to achieve those targets. If you don't achieve the target, you should have at least a reasonable, the grounds to prove that just because of this 1, 2, 3, 4, I am not able to achieve it. Then definitely I myself or the JC or the DRO, everybody will chip into you and help you out. మీరేమి చెప్పుకోకుండా అట్లాగే కూర్చొని ఇలాగే చేస్తాము అట్లా చేస్తామంటే మాత్రం those days are gone off back. So you should prioritize everything. Everything should be prioritized. Top 10 items should be on your table, and if those top 10 items are ring like in a mantras in everyday life, so then only things will happen. Otherwise it will not happen. So quick disposal should be there. I always, I myself dispose of things very quickly. I cannot keep anything on my table.